you doing good. I am Vijayalakshmi. In our previous class, we are discussing divisibility rules. In this, we are discussing our next topic, factors. Factors. What are factors? Let us understand the concept of the factors with an example. Here, one girl is there. Her name is Suma. Suma is having 6 coins. 4, 5, 6, 7. Suma is having 6 coins with her. Now she wanted to arrange these 6 coins in some arrangements. But in every arrangement, she wanted to maintain the same number of coins for each column. She wanted to maintain the same number of coins for each column. Now, let us see. First arrangement, Devi kept all these. First arrangement. Here, 6 coins in 6 columns. So, this is the arrangement of first. So, that is 1 coin for 1 column. Let us see second one. She arranged these 6 coins into. She arranged these 6 coins into. Arrange 3 columns, 2 coins for each column. She arranged 3 columns, 2 coins for each. Third arrangement. She arranged 6 coins. She arranged 6 coins, 2 columns and 3 coins per column. And the fourth one. Fourth one of this, she arranged in only 1 column all the 6 coins. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only she arranged only 1 column all the 6 coins. So these are the 4 patterns in which rearrange the coins. The number is same. How many coins? 6 coins. But the arrangement pattern is different. So here 6 columns and 1 each. 6 columns, 1 each. So here we can write 6 into 1. Coming to second one, here also same. Here 2 columns, here 3 columns, 2 in each. Here 3 columns, 2 in each. Here also same. 2 column, 3 in each. So 2 into 3. Here is also 1 column in 6 coins. 1 column, 6 coins. That means 1 into 6. So this is the arrangement. Now we can say that for 6 numbers, 6 equal to 2 into 3. 2 into 3 are the factors of 6. 2 into 3 are the factors of 6. Because here how it is expressed? Now 6 is expressed in front of its product of 2 into 3. So these 2 into 3 are the factors of 6. Here 6 equal to 2 into 3. In the same way, 6 equal to 2 into 3. In the same way, the 6 equal to 2 into 3. 2 is the factor of 6, 3 is the factor of 6. In the same way, the 6 is also is expressed in the different way. That means 6 is equal to 1 into 6. These two are also the factors of 6. 1 is the factor of 6, 6 is the factor of 6. Because they divided the 6 exactly. Divided the 6 exactly and completely. So 1 into 6 is also the factors of 6. So the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of this 6. These are the factors of 6. Now we understand the factor. What is that factor? A factor of a number is number which divides uncompletely. So you say here one more thing is important feature of factors, or we can observe that factors of a numbers are limited and countable. So example, here 12 is there, number 12 is there, the factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. These numbers are limited. It's very easy to countable numbers. Let's see the next topic, prime and composite numbers. Here we can observe the clearly below table. In this table having numbers, factors, number of factors. So here we have to observe the 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. These 4 numbers only having 2 factors. 2 is having 1, 2. 3 is having 1, 3. 5 is having 1, 5. 7 is having 1, 7. Among these factors, among these 2, 3, 5, 7 factors, all are the 1 is common. 1 among these factors, 1 is common. So the second one is the second number is itself of the factor. The second number is 2 has the itself has a factor. 2 has the itself has a factor. So itself has a number factor. So such numbers are called as prime numbers. Here 2 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So what is the prime numbers? Let us see co-primes. We already know the let us see co-primes. We already know the prime and composite numbers. This co-prime, what is? Let us see next topic, co-primes. What is co-primes? Let's take two numbers. Let's take two numbers 3 and 8. Write the factors of two numbers. These two numbers 3 equal to 1, 3. Coming to 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So if you can see the if you can observe these among the factors, 1 is common. 1 is common. No other number is matching. No other factor is matching. So such numbers are called as co-primes. Such numbers are called as co-primes. Twin primes. What is twin primes? Here we have some prime numbers is there. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 41, 40, 43. So the prime numbers that differ by value 2 are called twin twins prime, are called twins prime. So here example, we'll take the first one, 3, 5. 3, 5, the difference value of the 3 and 5 is 2. The difference value is 2. So these two together is called twin prime. Is called twin primes. To start this exercise 3.2, we should all know this topic. Factors, composite prime numbers, third one co-primes, fifth one twin primes. We all should know these topics.